Theory, up to which lesson have you done? Have you started organic? Which one theory you are doing? This is organic co? Still in inorganic. Okay, no issues. I'll explain it. Not, don't worry. And do it. I'll teach you how to do this first one. Actually, organic chemistry until unit 7 to 10. It's organic. That means after inorganic, all the lessons organic until your 10th lesson. That means 7th organic, 8th organic, 9 organic, 10 organic, all these organic. Organic lessons unit. And unit 11 inorganic, unit 11 physical again, chemical kinetics. 12 also physical chemistry. Then 13 also physical. 14 industrial and environmental chemistry. But those lessons are a bit lengthy. The 12th will be the equilibrium, that is the longest lesson in your syllabus. Unit 13 also physical chemistry. And unit 14, the last lesson, industrial and environmental chemistry. Right? Okay. Now you have about this first one. Actually there are two groups of organic compounds and organic chemistry, aliphatic and aromatic. In organic compound there are two groups, aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic means like, linear chain. Carbon chain is linear. Aromatic means there's a ring structures. Benzene. Cyclic. Sometimes we call it acyclic and cyclic. The other term is for this, acyclic and cyclic. This is acyclic. This is cyclic hydrocarbon. Cycle. Carbon form a ring structure. So, but here we are going to discuss only aliphatic ones first. So, under aliphatic hydrocarbon, there are three main groups. You had done two of them for your oral chemistry also. Alkane and alkene and alkyne. I think alkane and alkene you did for oral chemistry. Aliphatic, what are the three groups? Alkane, alkene and alkyne. Right? Alkane, alkene and alkyne. First we are going to discuss this alkane. How to write the name of organic compound. Inorganic compounds you had done with under inorganic chemistry, how to write the name. What is IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemists. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemists, IUPAC. That's an internationally accepted naming system for organic compounds. Okay, I'll teach the method. When you are given organic compound, aliphatic one like this, long chain one, first you have to select the longest chain containing the maximum number of carbon atoms. Longest continuous chain you have to select with maximum number of carbon atoms. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go this way, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are I'm writing all the possibilities. Longest chain, linear one you can take, or else you can go down like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. is one possibility. Or else you can go down like this. Or you can go even, it's continuous now, so 1 2 3 4 5, or you can go 1 2 3 4 5. So there are three possibilities here, right? There are three possibilities of going the longest chain. One is the pink one, continuously left to right. L-shaped one is 1 2 3 4 5, that downwards L shape. And the other is zigzag, 1 2 3 up to 4 here, and then green one is 5. Is that clear? This there are we can take the carbon chain with maximum 5 up to 5 carbon, but there are three possibilities of selecting the longest chain. But we can't select all three, we can select only one. Right? Before we write the name, we have to select the longest carbon chain containing maximum number of carbon atom. Is that clear? The first point right in your writing book or short notebook. Select the continuous carbon chain with the maximum number of carbon atoms. But then when there's more than one possibility, you select the chain with maximum number of side groups. Okay, that is the next one. You can see here, when you select the pink one, this entire thing become one side group. If you select only the pink one, right? If you select so one side group, so number one, longest chain, when there's more than one possibility for the longest chain, you select the one with more side groups or more substitute group with maximum substitute group or side group. Substitute group or side group, that means it's like, this is a encircle, that is a side group. Or else if you go for number this one, if you select this one, I encircle, if 1 2 3 4 5, then how many side groups you are getting? You get two side groups. For this will be a side group number 5, and then number 4 5 together attached to this. Okay, so that L-shaped one, 1 2 5 L-shaped one, there are two side groups. So then it's better than the previous one. The entire thing one side group. Now there are two side groups, maximum number of so this is called ethyl group. C2H5, CH2, CH3 means ethyl group. This is methyl group. This is methyl group. Okay. This is boiler part. Okay, midi. Huh? Then Pale. Then so how to select now? We'll go for this one, no? That because there are two side groups. Or else this we can go for this way also. Even if you go for the other way around, I'll write again 1 2 3 4 5. Then also you get ethyl group and methyl group. Third carbon, to the third carbon there will be a ethyl group attached, and then this methyl group is attached to the fourth carbon, same as before. So maximum 5 carbon, and the ethyl and methyl attached, the same as earlier. Even if you go this way also, same thing, to the fourth carbon methyl is attached. Then this become methyl. Right. So that is how you do it. Then what are the two side groups attached? Ethyl group and methyl group. Ethyl group is attached to the third carbon. Methyl group is attached to the fourth carbon. Okay. Now we selected the longest chain with maximum number of carbon atoms plus containing more side groups. So that is the first step of writing the name. What is the first step? Select the longest chain. When there's more than one possibility for the longest chain, select the chain with maximum number of side groups or substitute groups. Now you have to write the name. Now write in the name, third step. When writing the name, side group should come first. Or side group means substitute group. Substitute groups we write at the beginning of the name according to their alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Side groups we write in the alphabetical order at the beginning of the name. Okay. So what should come first? Alphabetical order, ethyl come or methyl come? Yes, Tisa? What come first? E or M? Alphabetical order? Ethyl come first. Very good. So then you can't write just ethyl. You have to mention to which carbon this ethyl group is attached. To which carbon the ethyl group is attached. That also you have to mention. Oh, okay, then we'll write. First we'll write 3. Now number is not considered to which they are attached. Alphabetical order means the letter, the first letter, right? So we'll write 3-ethyl. Look at the screen now. We'll write 3-ethyl. 3-ethyl. Why ethyl? E come before M. Number is not considered, right? But number we have to mention in the name. But when we consider the priority, the order sequence, we consider the alphabetical order, not the number. After that, 3-ethyl, then dash 4-methyl. 3-ethyl 4-methyl. So then side groups we wrote at the beginning of the name according to their alphabetical order. After that, check how many carbon in the longest chain. How many carbon in the longest chain? 5 carbon. If there's only 1 carbon, we call it meth plus n, methane. Meth plus the suffix n. If there are 2 carbon in the longest chain, the name ends in, the main chain, the name ends in eth plus n, ethane. Suffix, we have to add n if it is alkane. Then if there are 3 carbon, prop plus n, propane. If there are 4 carbon, buta plus n, butane. If there are 5 carbon, penta plus n, pentane. If there are 6 carbon is hexa plus n, hexane. If there are 7 carbon is hepta plus n, heptane. Okay. Then if there are 8 octane, like that, octa plus n, octane. So, but anyway, I have given that in a short notebook, I think. I gave a short notebook today, the WhatsApp organic. So there you can refer that. Then 3-ethyl 4-methyl. Then what is the other one? You have tried the name, longest chain 5 carbon, and then pent, right? Pentane 4-methyl, pentane without leaving a space. Pentane, no space here between methyl and pentane. Pentane because it's 5 carbon and is alkane, pentane. Is that clear? Any question? First one is that. So if you have a small doubt, even you can ask. It's not hard. Okay, without then you will. It's not hard actually. You can continue organic like this. Otherwise, I don't think you will be able to revise the whole syllabus with me. If you are doing one by one, like parallel to the theory. Okay, now shall you try, can you try this second one without my help? Can you try the second one without my help now? Select the longest chain with the maximum number of side groups first. But you can't break the chain in the middle. It can be zigzag, I don't know any direction, but you have to select the longest chain. Okay. Yes. So we'll select the longest chain, the second one. One possibility, you can take the straight one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 carbon, or else you can go down. So when you select like this, what happened? There's a small correction for the previous one, Tisat. Wait. There are two possibilities. Wait, we can start numbering the chain. When numbering the chain, you have to start from this side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So wait, I forgot to tell that also. Before we go to the next one, one more thing. Now you can start numbering instead of we start from left side. If you want, we can start numbering from the other end. Carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the carbon number won't change. But you can see the first side groups get number 2 here. When you start numbering the black one, the first side group name get number 3. That also must be considered, Yes. Therefore, which one is better now? So that the side group get the lowest number. When numbering, can you write that? Can you write that point also there? When numbering, the side group should get the lowest number. You start numbering from either side, from left to right or right to left, or from any side you can start numbering. But when you're numbering, the side group should get the lowest number. Can you write that also? Again, if I summarize, first you have to select the longest chain, and when there's more than one possibility for the longest chain, you have to select the chain with maximum number of side groups. After selecting the longest chain with the maximum number of side groups, what is the next one? Number in the chain. Number in the chain. You number the chain. How to number? You have to give the priority for the first side group. First side group should get the lowest number. Okay, is that clear? First side group should get the lowest number. That is the criteria. Can you please write that in your short notebook? When numbering, the first side group should get the lowest number. It's very important. Then which one is better, the black one or the red one, Tisat? Yes? Which one is better? What do you think? Red one is better, right? Because red one, the methyl gave number 2. Here we got methyl number 4. Because we first side group get number 3 in here. But when you start number from the bottom, that get number 2. So that is better. Yeah, red one. Then we had to write. So we had to omit this, and then we should select what should come first. 2 methyl, because to the second carbon methyl group, I'll erase the black one now. If this is not that correct. Right. We can write now. The correct one will be this. You have to give the lowest number, but when writing the alphabetical order, you have to follow. Okay, 3 ethyl, then comma dash 2-methyl without leaving a space pentane, without leaving a space pentane. Okay, is that clear now? This is the most correct one, not the black or the previous one. You have to make the small correction there. Again, check the list of the things that you have copied down. What is the first one? You have to select the longest chain. Number 2, select the chain, because they don't ask this order, right? Because that should be in your head. In the exam they will never ask, write an essay about this, write down the main steps involved, they will never ask. But you have to use them when you are writing the name. Select the longest chain. Number 2, select the longest chain with the maximum number of side groups when there's more than one possibility. Number 3, number in the chain, give it the lowest number to the first side group. After that, number 4, write in the name. You can start writing the name, giving the at the beginning the side groups according to the alphabetical order. So those are the 4 steps. Selecting the longest chain with maximum number of side groups, number in the chain, giving lowest number to the first side group. Okay, and is that clear? Did you note the points? Yeah. Then we'll go for the next one, second one. That one you can select. Maximum you can't go for more than 4 carbon here, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can go 1, 2, 3. So if you want, you can go this side way, this way. But anyway, you cannot go more than 4 carbon. You can encircle with a pencil if you want. This is the longest chain. When numbering, if you want, you can count from backward also the numbering. If you can do the numbering reverse, but still you get number 2 for the methyl, right? There are 2 side groups, methyl group. So left to right numbering, that one get number 2. Reverse when you number in 1, 2, 3 like that, then also get number 2 methyl. So it's no change, ne? Symmetrical. Black one also you get first group methyl, 2 methyl. Red one also you get 2 methyl, ne? Therefore no difference. You can select either one. Either one is correct. Okay, so then can you propose the name Tisat for this? You can select either black one. You can go. So then there are 2 methyl groups, ne? I'll highlight them. There are 2 methyl groups. Second one also methyl, third one also methyl. Okay, alright. 2 methyl, 3 methyl. Then what we do, instead of writing methyl methyl again, we can write 2, 3 dimethyl. For that 2, 3 dimethyl. Because when the same group is repeated, we use trimethyl. dimethyl, right? When there's more than one group, the same group is repeated, this is how we write it. Otherwise, we have write 2-methyl, and again we have write. So instead of writing 2-methyl, 3-methyl, we write 2,3-dimethyl. Okay. And then how many carbon the longest chain? 4 carbon. Then we write 2,3-dimethyl. 4 is butane buta plus n butane. Butane, but no space between the name. Usually when we write English, we write gap between words, but here no such gaps. Is that clear? This one.
Yeah.
Then we'll go for the next one. Shall I read this? Did you all finish copying down? Right. So we'll go for the third one. Third one now is gradually becoming a bit more complex. Now can you, there's a bromine group also as a side group. Right? So shall we label the longest chain? Shall we select the longest chain first? We'll go for the longest chain continuously without any break. We'll number. You can go from this side if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can go up to 6 carbon, no, longest chain like this. Then I'll highlight the side group like this. Bromo is there, methyl there, ethyl there. So the longest chain is this. If you only can encircle like this, I'll highlight longest chain red. 1, 2, 3, and here 4, 5, 6. This is the longest chain. Right? Right. Now there are 3 side groups. So now when numbering, our numbering is correct, no? Because both bromo and methyl got number 2. No? But if I start numbering from the other end, opposite end, what happened? We get now 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4th carbon for the ethyl. So, but this is better because lowest number for the number 2 we get here. This side we get number for the first side group. If we reverse if you start from numbering from the opposite end, first side group get number 4 here 4 ethyl, but here we get 2 methyl and 2 brom both. That's better, right? Therefore we'll omit that one. We'll keep like this. Now what are the, now we had write 3 groups at the beginning of the name with their respective number in the alphabetical order. Ethyl is there, no? This is called bromo. What comes first? Be alphabetical order, bromo or ethyl or methyl? These are with their relevant number. Bromo, ethyl. What should come first? Bromo, yeah. So if it is bromine, we call it bromo. No, we don't write bromine, we call it bromo. Did you write the name? If you only can put the name to the chat. Now you can do it without my help. Hexane, hexa. Name ends in hexane. Write the three side groups at the beginning according to the alphabetical order. When writing the sequence depends on the alphabetical order of the name, not the number, right? To they attach. But anyway, you have to include the number to which they attach in the chain. But that is not considered the order. Yeah, 2 bromo, very good. 2 bromo, 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, bromo. After bromo, you get ethyl. After that, methyl, 2 methyl, hexane. No, very good, excellent, Tisatya. Good, well done. Correct, perfect. So I'll write it so that because the others are getting the recording, I'll write it here again. 2 bromo, dash, 3 ethyl. No, you put 3 ethyl. Yeah, 3 ethyl, dash, 2 methyl. How many carbons? X ne? Here no space. Hexane. Right, your answer is correct. Very good. Can you try the fourth one without my help? Select the longest chain now. You try. It's okay if you get if it is wrong. Though, you do it alone for once and then, because then only you get the experience. The practice. If I number and do everything from the beginning, because you know the now the process the right. This you know the method now, right? Yeah. And try the fourth one, Tisat. If you only can annotate on my screen and show me the number, and I'll give you permission to annotate on my screen. If you only can put the number, first show me the number in and select the longest chain, because if that go wrong, everything go wrong. What is the longest chain? Number 4. You can go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, you can go down, but if you go up or down, it's 1, 2, 3, ne? Only 3 carbon. So this is the longest chain. Can't be number from the other side like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. That also, that is wrong. Why? Yeah, then the number 3 will come to the side group. Black one, number 2 will come to the side group. You should give the lowest value for the first side group. Okay. Understood? So then we'll keep the black one from left to right, the numbering done. Right. Then we'll write. Okay, can you write the name now? How many methyl groups are attached to the same carbon? There are 2 methyl, and the other thing is this, now when you are numbering this, make sure around there must be 4 bonds around each carbon atom. That also must be satisfied here. There must be 4 bonds around each carbon atom. Yes. What is the name? How to? Can you write what is this? 2 methyl 2 methyl? Then we write what? 2, 2 dimethyl. That's how you do it, Tisa. 2, 2 dimethyl. If it is because you get 2 methyl and to the second carbon there are 2 methyl groups. Then we call it what? 2, 3 dimethyl. That's how you do it. Now you can do the rest. 2, 3 dimethyl and what? Butane. 2, 3 dimethyl butane, no? Understood? Write the name. 2, 3 dimethyl butane. Two, 3 dimethyl butane. Okay. Then number 5. Number 5, how to do it? Number 5, can you select the longest chain? Number 5. I'll erase the first 2. Okay, now you can see the clear the 5th one. How to select the longest chain? You have got the printout, or else you can quickly write down the structure in your writing book and do it. Now there are 2 methods numbered. One is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1. Now 6 here. Or you can go this way, other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. Which one is better? Yes. What is red one or black one is better? Very good, Tisatya, excellent. 2,2,5 trimethyl hexane, but methyl and hexane no space, Tisat. Okay, that is a simple mistake. Otherwise, everything perfectly correct. Now this not 255, right? 225. 225, eh? Not 255. 2, 2, 5 trimethyl. Then is correct. 2, 2, 5 trimethyl, 2, 2, 5 trimethyl, longest chain 6 carbon. So number is red one or black one is better? Red one, okay. Because that one you get the second carbon, number 2 for the first side group. Black one also number 2. Number 2 both side. Right, now this is also very interesting. Left side also when number in you get number 2 for the methyl. The other side also you get number 2 for the methyl. But what is better now? You get 2 methyl groups in this one. I'll highlight with a different color. So you get red one you get 2 methyl groups. The black one you get only 1 methyl group. Number 2 1 methyl group. Red one when you are numbering from the opposite end, you get 2 methyl groups. So that's why we select the red one, not the black one for the numbering. Okay, right? Got it. Then you get what? 2, 2, 5 trimethyl hexane. Trimethyl hexane. Understood? So now this one anyway you can't memorize. Okay, you have to learn it by doing it. You have to learn it by doing it. There are no short methods for that. So last 30 years you have to do all the organic IUPAC nomenclature, then definitely you will get every year one of this you are getting definitely every year. Right. Next one. Can you do it alone, the number 6? Yeah, you gave 3 ethyl 5 methyl heptane, no? 3 ethyl 5 methyl heptane. Let's see. Okay, let's see the number in first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 it is. Or you can go the reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one is better? Okay, if you take the black one, methyl group number 3. If you get the red one, ethyl get number 3. What is better? Giving number 3 to ethyl or methyl? Yes, red one is because E come first. Higher priority for ethyl because alphabetical. Then if both the ends, if you get the same number for the side groups, then you go for the alphabetical order, the next option. Right? If you get the same number from each method, if you get the same number, like when there's more than one possibility for a number in, if you get the same number for the side group from each side, then you consider the alphabetical order. So ethyl, then red one will keep because number 3 for the ethyl is better than for number 3 methyl. Ethyl comes first before methyl in E alphabetical order. Therefore, we'll go for the red one. Okay, that no, please note down these things. It is very important. So if you come across a situation like this, then you go for the red one. So then this one will become this is methyl. Now write the name. Can you post the answer on chat? Yeah, you have already said 3 ethyl, 5 methyl, heptane. Very good. Yeah, you catch up this. No, yeah, good. Okay, I think you absorb now. Okay, so I'll write here 3 ethyl dash 5 methyl without any space heptane. Right. Okay. Right. Then next one, number 7 also can you try it without my help first. Can you try it alone, then any mistake I'll correct. Okay, I'll write the longest chain. Where to start now? This is a bit more complex than the previous one. If you go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or sometimes you can go this way also, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side also 7. If you go to L shape also is 7, and if you go to the straight also 7. Which one is better? If you go on, you can go in the reverse direction like this, 1, 2, 3 like that. 5, 6, 7 like that. But you get number 2 methyl here, no? That's good, no? Because there you get 3 ethyl. So 2 is better. 2 methyl, black one is better. Right, black one is better. I'll highlight the longest chain. It's like this. This is the longest chain. I'll highlight the side groups now. Methyl there. Wait. Methyl there. Propyl there. And ethyl there. So you write them in the correct alphabetical order. Why it is at this number 7? No, you send the number 7. Why is dimethyl and again methyl? You can take there's only one methyl group. You read the number in a different way. Can you write the name? Can you send the name for this one now? The second one, when you number it like this, the first side group get number 2. I don't think any other method you can get the number 2 for the first side group with the 7 carbon atom with the longest chain. Can you send the name again, number 7? That is okay, good. That is a propyl group. Sorry, yeah. This is propyl group. This is methyl group. This is sorry, ethyl. This is ethyl and propyl. 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 This is ethyl. This is methyl. Now you can try it. Right, very good. 5 ethyl, 2 methyl, 4 propyl, 11 of yeah, propyl heptane. Very good, excellent. Yeah. So answer is 5 ethyl, 5 ethyl, 11 of 2 methyl, and then 4 propyl, heptane, no? Yeah, heptane. Yeah, this is the answer. Very good. This is the correct answer. Right. So did you get the point now? Did you learn the technique? Can you got this idea, right? Right. Then we'll go for the next one. Yeah, now you're okay. So without doing theory, so I told you can do it, right? So I think yeah, now you have the confidence. Now let's move to the next one.
Yes.
Now alkene. Now this is previous an alkane. Now alkenes and alkynes. Then the only difference is that name ends in "ene" and "ine." If it is alkene, if there's a double bond, now this is the condition here. This is the second tutorial under this. You have to select, if it is alkene, you have to select the longest chain including the double bond. That's very, very important. When selecting the longest chain should include longest chain should include the double bond or the triple bond. That's a must. And when numbering, the second condition here, other rules same as before. When numbering, double bond should get the lowest number, not the side group. When numbering, double bond should get the lowest number. Get the lowest number, not the side group. Double bond we give the priority because the functional function of the organic compound alkene depends on its double bond unsaturated compound. Should get the lowest number. Earlier we gave the, because all the bonds single bonds between carbon atoms, so therefore we gave the priority for the side group lowest number, but here double bond should get the lowest number. So please note down when naming alkene, the longest chain should include the double bond, that is number 1, plus when numbering, double bond should get the lowest number. Can you do now the name? I will help to write the name. Can you select the longest chain and number? Yes. Yeah. Then sorry. So did you get the name? The correct 2-methyl. The number 1 is okay. No any doubts. Understood. Pentene. Pent 1-ene is better. If you write pentene also okay. Okay. Then next one, number 2. Let's see the number in 1, 2, 3. Then what? We select the longest chain like this. Then what is the name? How to write the name? So just propene, 3 carbon means prop. And it's alkene. Propene is just propene. No side groups, nothing to attach. Propene. Because either you put the not mention the position also, because the even if you if you write the propene this way also, see you turn this completely vertically upside down. I mean you turn this upside down. I mean this molecule you turn this by 180 degrees, then what happen? Then you get this way. Then also propene. 1 2 3, the double bond get the lowest number. 1 2 3, then also propene, 3 carbon. So double bond either you put left side or rightmost corner, it's propene. Name won't change. Is that clear? It's just propene. No need to write prop 1 in, because it's anyway there's no other possibility of putting the double bond anywhere else. Okay, number 3. I'll erase this. Shall I erase this? Right. Let's see the number 3 now. Can you try this third one? So, right. Without my help. Yes, 3-butene. No, yeah, not 3-butene. Why 3-butene? Because numbering is number 1. You get for the here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just butene. Just butene. Or you can write but-1-ene, but it's not necessary because but-1-ene also accepted. Just butene also okay. Because anyway double bond is at the beginning. Within bracket you can write but-1-ene. Question number means okay, right, sorry, okay, I understood, right. Okay, this is no worries. Number 4, fourth one can write, yeah, okay, question number you put, no, okay, right, good. Yeah. Answer is again butane. There now, if you write this also just butane, there's a difference. No, it's not the same structure. Now you have to be careful. You can't write just butane for this, definitely. Because if the double bond is at the very beginning, then you can write butane, okay, accepted. But this one, if you write butane, that's completely wrong. Because then there's no difference between the third and the fourth. If you write both butane, if you write for both butane, then there's no difference. But when you look at the structure, there's a difference, no? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So bigger. There double bond is in the middle, Tisa. Double bond is in the middle. Here double bond is at the beginning, no? And there's a difference. So that difference you have to show in the name also, because if anyone who read the name should be able to get the structure back. Otherwise, there will be a problem. If someone can't get the correct structure from your name, then it will be a problem with your name. So then there you have write butene. What? Butene, not but, butene, definitely. And the other thing is, you can start with a capital letter or single letter. That is not a simple letter, no problem. So when writing the name, you can write all the letters in simple. If you want, you can start the first letter only capital. That's all. That's no issue. But in general, you can write all the letters in simple here, because we are not stick to the English here. Butene. Butene. Then can you try the fifth one, Tisat? Fifth one. Make the correction for the fourth one. Okay, Tisat, how to write the number 5? I'll write the name like this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can go the other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both same name, identical name molecule. Oh no, there's a difference, no? Black one you get number 2. Red one you get number 3. Red one or black one is better, Tisat? Tell me number 5. Number in which one is better? Double bond, which in where the double bond gets the lowest number? The red one or black one gives the double bond the lowest number. Yes, Tisat? Yeah, 2 methyl 3 ethyl, there must be a dash, after ethyl there must be a dash, 3 methyl butene, no? 2 methyl 3 methyl butene. So the black one is better because the double bond you get the black one the lowest number. You can write no need to write methyl methyl twice, so you can write dimethyl here. You can write this as 2, 3 dimethyl. Dimethyl 2, 3 dimethyl pent 5 carbon the longest chain. At the beginning of which carbon the double bond? Double bond start with which carbon? Second carbon. Then you can write 2 in. Pen 2 in. Some papers they put 2 pentin also, but my advice leave like this under the new syllabus. So we keep like this. So if you want, you can write here instead of pen 2 in, you can write 2 pentin. But that is not much accepted under the new syllabus. Okay, is that clear? 2 methyl, 2 3 dimethyl, 2 3 dimethyl, pen 2 in. Understood? Can you try the sixth one also now? Always we have to select the longest chain with the double bond with the maximum number of side groups. There are three conditions: maximum number of carbon atoms, maximum number of side groups attached, double bond should be there in the longest chain. Yeah, Tisat, can you hear me now? Can you got disconnected, no? So this one how to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is one method. Or else you can go from this side. Other all the others you will double bond you will not get the lowest number. This is the only one where the double bond get the lowest number. Can you give me the name now? So I mark the longest chain. If you want, I'll highlight the side groups also. Methyl, methyl, ethyl. Okay. How to write the name now? Methyl, methyl, ethyl. What should come first alphabetical order? Ethyl should come from methyl. So this is ethyl. 3 ethyl, 5 methyl, 2 methyl. What should come first? Ethyl come first in alphabetical order. So we'll write 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl, then 2 comma 5 dimethyl. 2 comma 5 dimethyl. After that, hex. You can write just hexene because the double bond is not at the beginning. Then you have to indicate where's the double bond. Double bond carbon also should include in the. You have to include in the name double bond to which carbon the double bond start with which carbon. At the beginning of which carbon the double bond begins. That also you have to indicate in the name. Then you write what? 3 ethyl, 2 comma 5 dimethyl, 2 what? Wait, no, not 2. Hex 2-ene, no? Hex 2-ene. Hex 2-ene. Okay, hex 2-ene. Understood? Did you get this name, Tisat? Number 6. Did you understand that? Yeah, Tisat, can you hear me now? You got disconnected, right? Again. Yeah. You have power card today? Did you finish number 6? Shall I erase that? Tisat, can you hear me? Alright, okay. Then number 6 done. Number 7. Number 7, yes. How to select the longest chain here? I'll start from the numbering. You have to start from the double bond because double bond should give the lowest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then others you take as side groups. This is side group. This is side group. This whole thing propyl group because there are 3 carbon. Like this. So we can you post the answer on chat? What should come? Propyl. This is propyl, huh? This is methyl. This is ethyl. So you get the answer now. 2 ethyl alphabetical order you have to follow. 2 ethyl. 4 methyl. 3 propyl. Hex 1 ene. Oh, hexene also accepted. Methyl hexene also okay. Hexene, not an ene alkene. See whether you got the same answer. Isat, did you get it? Right, shall I go to the next one? Number 8, can you try without my help? Numbering from which side? You can go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can go. Which one is better, red one or black one? Anyway, either side you get number 6 carbon in the longest chain. Anyway, the double bond should get the lowest number. Black one double bond get number 3. Red one also get double bond get number 3. Then it's both side, the red one and black one both, the double bond get number 3. And double bond start with number 3. Then there's 2 equal chances, no? Then how to